Say, clock, what time is it?
It's time for a quick trick. Daisy, I have 4 crayons. Okay? I want you to take one of those and place it in my hand as I turn my back. Okay. Now hide the other so I can't tell which one.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to try to see if I can select the color of the crayon that you picked.
Okay.
All right. I see purple. Is that correct?
Yes.
Wow, can you select the correct color crayon? Sure you can. I'll show you how after this.
Today's quick trick is brought to you by cucumbers. Cucumbers are a member of the gourd family, along with melons, squash, and pumpkins. Cucumbers originated in India almost 3,000 years ago. Today, in the United States, Florida produces the most cucumbers. The world's largest cucumber weighed 59 pounds. Wow, that's a big cucumber.
Cucumbers are a great source of vitamin A and vitamin C and potassium.
Cucumbers are good raw, cut up in salads, and pickled.
Cucumbers also contain vitamin B and carbohydrates that help to boost your energy, and they're low in calories.
Enjoy them for a snack today and stay cool as a cucumber.
Now here's the quick trick secret. Have your assistant select one of the crayons, and when you get the crayon and turn your back, secretly put some color of the crayon on your thumbnail, like that. Now when you turn back around, take a quick peek at your thumb, and you'll know what color the crayon is. That's the quick trick secret. For more quick tricks, be sure to check out our website. In the meantime, try this at home, and your friends will think you're a magician.